Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable dark mode online. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Line app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. After that, you can see the option of themes. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of use black theme when in dark mode. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable dark theme online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.